Good health is essential to sustainable development. Ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being is important to building prosperous societies, ending poverty, and reducing inequalities. Mongolia has made progress in achieving SDG 3, good health and well-being of its people in the past decades. Deaths among infants and children have been declining. Life expectancy has steadily increased. Endemic transmission of measles and tetanus were eliminated. Mongolia has become a polio-free country. However, the current pandemic disrupts essential health services and threatens us to undo the gains in the healthcare sector in Mongolia. Mongolian healthcare staff are fighting day and night to minimize the negative impacts of the outbreak and save the lives of those who are at high risk. In anticipation of the more health emergencies like the COVID-19 in the future, the world leaders came together with World Health Organization (WHO) last week to call for a new international treaty to ensure that we are better prepared for the next pandemic. Today, on the occasion of the World Health Day, we are joining the call for a fairer and healthier world. Therefore, we in the UN system in Mongolia must work together with the government of Mongolia to ensure that everyone in Mongolia has living and working conditions that are conducive to good health. And our joint efforts must ensure that all Mongolians enjoy good health and well-being by systematically addressing health inequities and offering equitable, affordable health services. And I believe that together we can. Baitla Sansakniusi.